Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Friday 10th April 2026. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 17, number 28, number 45, number 6, number 37, booster number 25 UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 8, number 15, number 29, number 13, number 43, booster number 37. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe now.